And this was another expensive one, goddamn. It's literally sold out every time I go on the website. It's a lot. Hi everyone, so today I'm doing a clothing haul. This is actually my first one of 2022. Literally the clothes I'm going to show you guys right now are like my dream wardrobe. I don't know what happened, but the last few months as I've been accumulating clothes and accessories, I've found some of the best things that are in my closet. I'm super excited to show you guys everything, so let's get started. So first, this jacket. I have to start with this jacket because it's everything. I got this from Urban. I was really contemplating when I bought it online because it was like $100 and I was like, do I want to spend $100? Like, that's so much money. But it was so worth. This is literally my favorite jacket I've ever had. The color of it, the style, the material, just everything is so cute. It's in this super nice green color and then it has like these yellow accents. It has these patches on the sleeves in this different fabric and the inside is just lined so nice. It reminds me of camping, but I don't like camping, so like a cute camping. Kind of. Every time I'm running out the door, I always grab this jacket. It's like my go-to, so I know I'm going to be wearing it a lot. This is definitely like one of my favorite purchases of this haul. Next thing from Urban is this top. I'm sure you guys have seen this because I feel like everyone owns this top. It's literally sold out every time I go on the website. This is a corset top in black. I think they have a few colors, and it's just lacy, super pretty. It's the most flattering shirt ever. It just looks so good on. There's so many ways you could style this. I wore it in New York with some of the other clothing pieces I'm going to show you. Definitely want to get it in more colors. Next from Urban are these brown pants. These are so nice. I've only worn them like one time, but they're these cargo pants. They also have them in beige, but I loved this brown color. They just look so good on. They're super flattering. They're really cute. I feel like it's really hard to find this style of pants, but I really like it. It has pockets on the sides, a lot of stitching, and the waistband is stretchy. I got these in a size small. I pretty much get everything in a size small. They are the Y2K cargo pants. Yeah, look at those. So cute. Next from Urban is the top that I am wearing. I love this shirt so much. It's this long sleeve white and black top. I just wanted like a cute graphic tee to wear, and this one was perfect. When I saw the price, I was like, do I want to spend that much? I feel like that's always the contemplation with Urban, is their clothes are so perfect. Like, they fit my style so well, but the price is always a lot to take in. And sometimes I'm really surprised. Like, even with this shirt, I was not expecting it to be, I think it was like $40. This top, even with the brown pants, would look really cute. I love it so much. It's so cute. I've already worn it a bunch of times since I got it, and I just think it looks so good on, and I love long sleeves. They are my fave. Okay guys, get ready. These are literally my favorite shoes ever. I love them. They are so cute. These are what they look like. I bought these Reebok sneakers from Urban. Even look at like the tag on the inside. Oh my god. The maroon detailing on them. They are so pretty, and they just look so nice. Like, I love sneakers like this. This is my everyday shoe. I wear them everywhere I go, and I'm obsessed. They're super comfy. They look really nice on, and they honestly weren't too expensive. Like, they're perfect. I know I'm gonna look back on this video when these sneakers are like so dirty, and I'm gonna be like, oh, remember when they were brand new? They were just so cute and perfect. These are like my fave shoes right now. I love them. They just make every outfit look so much better. Next, I bought this tank top. As I told you guys, I'm going to Costa Rica, and a lot of the clothes in this haul are also for that trip. So like, a lot of the stuff in here is like outwear, colder weather, but then there's another mix of I'm going to Costa Rica, so I need some like tropical outfits. So this tank top is for that, and I can also wear this during summer. I love the colors of this so much. It's like yellow and blue. This material is so cool. It cinches right here, and then the back like kind of droops down into this V shape. I've never seen a top like this before, and this was another expensive one. Goddamn, this was $45 for a tank top. Like, it's a lot. I know I'm gonna wear it and get a lot of use out of it, so I was like, okay, it's cool. So I'm excited to wear this. It is so cute. Okay, so next I went to a crystal shop and I found this bag, which I wanted to show you guys. This is so cute. It's like this long strap beige bag. This is what the front of it looks like. It is so cute. It has a zipper right here. It has some Velcro and opens up to like this larger pouch. It says Earth's Elements on the tag. It was 20 bucks. I feel like traveling with this will be super nice. I've just never seen a bag like this, so I was like, okay, I have to have it. I also ordered this wildflower case. This is what it looks like. I just love the brown and the floral print. When it came, I almost put it on my phone, but I was like, no, it doesn't really match December. Like, I feel like it matches January a little bit more. So I'm gonna put this on my phone soon. I love the colors of this so much. So I'm really excited to put this on my phone. Next, I wanna show you what I got at the thrift store. This was from multiple trips, as I said. You guys, when I saw this at the thrift store, I was like, this is so nice. It's this black, gray, and white striped sweater. I think it is so cute. It's oversized. I think it's in a size large. This is a men's Quicksilver. Oh, it's an extra large, damn. It's a men's Quicksilver long sleeve like sweater. I love it. I wear it with low-rise jeans. I wear it with my yoga pants. It's comfy, but it's also really cute. Kind of gives me like a beach vibe, but also I wore it to New York and it gave me the city vibe. I really love stripes. When I saw this, I was like, this is perfect for me, and I love comfy clothes, so I know I'm gonna live in this. The next thing I thrifted is this white button-up. I just really love throwing stuff over an outfit like this, so I was looking for a white button-up for a while. This is just a men's medium, super simple. It's cute. This is what I threw over that corset top that I showed you earlier, and I really liked it. I just feel like it gives kind of like a masculine vibe to like the feminine corset top. The thrift store is just the place to go for like basic stuff like this, I feel like, because you could look on like Brandy for this kind of thing and it would be like $35 when I paid like $3 for this one. So next, oh my god, guys. I had the best luck at the thrift store when I found these jeans. I have never ever found jeans like this at a thrift store that actually fit so well and were so cute, but I kind of manifested it because I was thinking so much of like, okay, I really want some low-rise jeans. Let me find some that are like a cute brand or something. And I found the perfect jeans. These are like my dream jeans. They are blue, they are low-rise, they have like a flare bottom. So the brand is Angels. This is what the tag looks like, and it also has this little embroidered heart right here on the pocket, and on the back it has the logo right here as well. I remember when I found these jeans at the thrift store, I was with my sister and I immediately ran up to her and I was like, Kira, like, look what I found. I feel like whenever I go to the thrift store, it's like 50-50 that I'm gonna get lucky and get some cute stuff. I was definitely lucky on the day I found these. I know I'm gonna hold on to these for a long time. They are so cute. The next thing I thrifted is a purse. I am so lucky for finding this super cute purse. It's black and it has this longer strap, so I would definitely wear it over my shoulder like this, and it just kind of goes a little farther down. I think this purse is so cute. I love the style of it. All of the pockets in front. It even has this one that has a zipper. This was literally $3.99. Like, you can't go wrong with that. Even in the back it has like this separate pouch. Whoa. Oh shit, that's like a wallet. What? Oh, I didn't even know. What? It has a mirror? It literally has a mirror. It's a brand new nice ass mirror. What the fuck? Oh my god, I didn't even see this. I just thought this was like an extra pouch. That's so cool. So in the back here is this little pouch, and you open it up and it's like a wallet. Put your cards in. It has like a zipper pocket. What the fuck is this? A calculator? Why is that in here? It doesn't seem to be working, but it came with a calculator, so that's kind of cool. What is this purse meant for? But it's so awesome. That is so sick. And then inside it's super spacious as well. So I'm excited to use this. I haven't used it yet. Literally so cute though. Really simple, and I love the long strap. It just looks so nice. So I thrifted this corset top in New York. It's this lavender lacy corset. It's from Victoria's Secret. I got it for super cheap. It is so cute. I haven't tried it on yet, but I'll try it on in the try on portion of this haul, so hopefully it fits good. I just thought it was so cute for spring. I love the colors, all the shades of purple. The back is mesh. It's so pretty. I love this style of tops. I love the corsets. So this was definitely another really good find. So I'm really excited to style this in the warmer months because I can't wear this yet. It's too damn cold. However, this dress I thrifted specifically again for my Costa Rica trip, and I was supposed to go in November, so I got this like in October. I've had it for so long, but now we're going in January. We're going in a few days. I'm gonna be bringing this along. It's this blue, soft, stretchy tank top dress. It's just easy to throw on. It has this nice pattern. It's just really comfy feeling. During the summer, I know I'm gonna be wearing this a lot as well. We'll come back to the rest of the thrifted stuff. Next, I want to show you what I got from Brandy. So first thing is this top. This is just a short sleeve graphic tee. It's like this little fairy sitting on a flower talking to a butterfly. Chill vibes, fun time. I just needed something simple and cute that I could throw on. This little graphic tee is perfect. And I've also been looking for shirts that aren't as cropped. Because I've been buying low-rise jeans, I need shirts that don't show my entire fucking stomach, and this one's perfect. So I really like this top a lot. Next from Brandy, I got this short sleeve top. I have this in blue as well, and I literally wear it all the time. It's just a basic like tight shirt. It's not like too deep of a v-neck. It has like this ribbed detailing, the short sleeves, just everything. It's so comfy. I'm the type of person where if I like something, I'll buy it in like every color. So this is a perfect example. I have it in blue, I have it in black, and I'm definitely gonna get more colors once they come out with more. I also like wearing a long sleeve underneath it, so you can kind of see the top of the long sleeve here and then the sleeves on the side. I also got this tank top from Brandy. They just have the perfect basic shirts. This one is black and it just has a few buttons. Next, I got these socks. I haven't opened them yet, but they're just white and they have these red hearts. I got these jeans from Brandy. So I never buy bottoms from Brandy because I feel like they just never fit my legs in a flattering way. Like sometimes they'll fit my waist, but then the leg part will be way too small. Or sometimes they'll fit my legs, but then the waist part won't fit at all. So it's like the only pants I have from Brandy that really fit were like those yoga pants. But I found these jeans. So these are a pair of low-rise jeans. I found these around the same time that I thrifted the other pair. These are just low-rise, and then they have the flare bottoms as well. They're really cute. The waist is a little bit big. They do fit honestly really well, and they're really cute, and I really like wearing them. They're honestly pretty comfortable, and they match everything. So this purse company reached out to me. They are JW PEI, and they sent me 3 bags to show you guys. I'm in love with these bags. When I opened them up, I was like, oh my god, these are so fancy. So the first bag is this green one. It is so pretty. I love the shape of it. It's like one of those baguette bags. I love the color. The green is just so nice. I carry this around with me everywhere. You know, I carry my purse with me literally everywhere. So I'm definitely gonna be switching to this green one too. It's actually really spacious as well. Just a really nice quality bag. Like, I love it so much. The green color is so pretty. It reminds me of matcha. Silver detailing. I wear it right on my shoulder like that. It's super cute. So this is the first one they sent me. They also sent me this one in brown. This is the coolest looking bag ever. I love the scrunchiness of the top and just how it looks. Like, it's just so pretty. It has a magnet to keep it closed, and it's again pretty spacious inside. I wouldn't really wear this one on my shoulder. I'd more like want to hold it. And this color is so nice. I think this is in Nutella. Just the style of bag is so cool. So, and in the same style, I got this yellow one. I thought this one was really pretty as well. A pop of color in like a simple outfit. I am obsessed with these bags. I've been waiting to show you guys these for so long because I wanted to put them in a haul. So I love them. They are so cute, and I'm really excited to style all of these. So I actually have a code for you guys for 20% off if you guys want. Oh my god, they're so cute. I literally use a purse every single day. I love it so much. Next, I have this bikini to show you guys. I went to like a surf store in San Diego with Enzo, and they were having this huge sale on all their bikinis. So this top is normally $60 and I got it for $20. Like, what? It's really cute. I really love the floral. I've noticed all my bikinis pretty much are floral print. I need to stop. I love the thick straps, and then in the back they separate into 2 small thin straps. I just really liked the color of this one and the style. These are what the bottoms look like, and honestly they're not that small. Usually it's like a fucking string, like no coverage at all, but these actually have like a pretty good amount of coverage. Compared to my other ones, I feel like this is the best for family vacation, right? Okay, so going back to the rest of the stuff that I thrifted, I need a tea break. So good. I have 3 things left. These are all from the thrift store as well. First is this tank top. I really want to crop this. I feel like it would be so much cuter cropped, but I really like the color. I really love the stripes. Again, the stripes. And it has a little scrunching in the middle as well. It's just really cute, really stretchy and comfy. The thing with tank tops that I thrift is like, if I don't end up wearing it in like a cute outfit, I will wear these to sleep. Like, these are so comfy. Next thing from the thrift store is this black button-up cardigan. As I said, I just like buying things like this so I can throw it over an outfit. I could crop this one as well, but I'm gonna try to style it without cropping it. Okay, so the very last thing I have to show you guys in this haul is this tank top. This is the only thing that I don't really love. I saw it in store and it kind of looked a little bit darker, but the color is like very light. It's like this very light aqua color. It's pretty. I like how it crisscrosses in the front and kind of flares down. Like, it's a really nice shirt. I haven't worn it yet. It looks cute though. So that is everything everything for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I've bought recently. That was a lot of stuff. That's everything I've bought over the last few months, but everything in this haul I wear a lot and I really like, so I think it's all worth. I had so much fun filming this video. It's always so fun to just sit down and show you guys like what I'm talking about. Definitely comment down below anything that you liked in particular and give me some store suggestions because I feel like I just shop at the same like 3 stores. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that because they have my style in their clothes. I really want to branch out and try some smaller businesses. I'm always looking on Depop for things like that. Any other stores that you guys have in mind, definitely leave them down in the comments. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.